Do you know what the scariest corpse in the universe is? Not a black hole, not a quasar, it's not even a supernova explosion, but one with a diameter of only 20 kilometers but the electrons of the entire solar system. The stellar remains of the device burned up in an instant. It's called a magnetar. One of the most extreme in the universe, the weirdest invisible butcher. Let's talk about this today. I don't need to be near you. A monster that can erase you from the atomic level. Magnetars are supermassive stars. Inner neutron star left behind after death. How sick is it? An entire star collapsed by attractive forces. Finally, he was forced into a heel, in a small ball about the size of Beijing. What concept? You can imagine the entire Himalayas forcibly stuffed into a matchbox. Just a spoonful of this substance weighs an astonishing 1 billion tons on Earth. But in every 10 neutron stars, only one will undergo a rare mutation. It's got superfluid material spinning around like crazy. It twists and magnifies the magnetic field like a towel. Eventually gave birth to the whole universe, the most terrifying extreme magnetic field. How scary is it? Let's make a comparison. Protect humanity from the deadly solar wind. The Earth's magnetic field is 0.5 Gauss. The magnet on your refrigerator is 100 Gauss. Iron wheelchairs can be sucked away in hospitals. The MRI machine is 30,000 Gauss. What about magnetars? Its magnetic field is as strong as a staggering 1,000 trillion Gauss. That's hundreds of trillions of times the Earth's magnetic field. In the face of this level of magnetic field, the laws of physics are a joke if you approach it to a distance. Earth 150,000 kilometers, less than half the distance between the Earth and the Moon. You haven't even looked at it yet. All bank cards on Earth are instantly cleared. The global power grid is directly paralyzed if you come a little closer to it. For example, 1,000 kilometers. The strangest way to die has arrived. You won't get burned, won't be crushed. It's too late to feel any pain, because in the absolute field of the core, the shape of the atom will be forcibly changed. Originally spherical atoms will be terrified. The magnetic field lines are squeezed into slender needles. This means that chemical reaction no longer exists. The molecular foundation of your body is completely destroyed. Your body will disintegrate in an instant into a mass of plasma that follows magnetic field lines. This is not death. This is the underlying logic of matter being directly rewritten. Do you think magnetic fields only act on solid matter? No. The horror of magnetars lies in, it can distort even nothingness. In quantum mechanics, vacuum is not absolute emptiness, it is full of continuous production and virtual particles that annihilate instantly. When the magnetic field strength of the magnetar exceeds 1 GeV, even the vacuum itself is forcibly given physical properties. This is called vacuum birefringence in physics. If a beam of light passes near a magnetar and that light will be refracted and split by the vacuum itself. It's like empty space. Suddenly it became an extremely heavy piece of crystal glass. This is no longer common knowledge in physics. This is a spell only available to the gods. Do you think you'll be fine as long as you don't get close to it? The surface of the wrong magnetar is covered with a layer of iron, an extremely hard shell made of isotopes. It's 10 billion times harder than Earth's steel. But in front of the magnetic field lines that are frantically twisting inside, the hardest shell in the universe will still be bursting with life when magnetic field lines are like high-pressure rubber bands. The moment it broke completely, this is the most explosive physical phenomenon in the universe, starquakes. Even if the shell is only cracked by a millimeter, the energy released is also incomprehensible to humans. You've probably heard about it in the news. Astronomers often receive mysterious radio waves from deep space. Fast radio burst in the past. Many people made wild guesses. Is this a distress signal from an alien civilization? Until 2020, scientists have finally caught one of the culprits. Humans have witnessed the Milky Way galaxy for the first time. A magnetar was released during the explosion. Extremely intense fast radio bursts, although there may be other monsters in the abyss of the universe. But at least for this moment we have confirmation. Those who can go crazy in the universe, one of the mysterious sources of screaming, not aliens at all. It's the newly confirmed magnetar. A single scream can travel billions of light years into space. The radio telescope that hit the Earth hard. This is by no means alarmist. The Earth was actually hit. December 27, 2004, a terrifying high-energy ray sweeps across the Earth. Instantaneously ionized the Earth's upper atmosphere. multiple satellites were blinded on the spot. Astronomers made a shocking discovery. This energy comes from distance, 50,000 magnetar light-years away, SGR 1806 bars 250,000 light-years. Half a galaxy away in the energy it releases in the first 0.1 second of the burst. The equivalent of our sun burning for 100,000 years. Just think about it. If this monster is at a distance where we are within a few tens of light-years, civilization is counting down. The instant you can't hear it completely returns to zero. Many people ask, what is the scariest thing in the universe? I used to think it was a black hole, but black holes at least obey the rules of attractive force, and magnetars are the laws of cosmic physics. Exceptional bugs that appear after being compressed to the limit. It doesn't need to be near you. Don't need to see you. Just being there is deadly enough. But right here, I just feel deeply grateful. In the observable universe 93 billion light-years in diameter, there could be billions of them. They float silently in the darkness like in the dark forest. A beating heart of death, and the reason why we can still safe and sound, swiping the phone and drinking coffee just because we are incredibly lucky in a quiet corner of the star system. We just don't happen to be noticed by them yet.